PFAS, or forever chemicals, are increasingly cropping up in news headlines. PFAS are per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances. These are a class of thousands of different chemicals. Many of them resist degradation, and as a result, they're now being detected nearly everywhere that we're looking for them. They are really widely used in everything from semiconductor manufacturing to electronics, hydraulic systems to refrigerants, textiles, and packaging. As products are manufactured, used, and ultimately discarded, PFAS are making their way into the air, land, and water, where many of them persist. This is problematic given the growing number of studies that are highlighting associations with health effects, such as endocrine disruption, liver damage, increased cholesterol, higher risk of some cancers, thyroid issues, and lower response to vaccines. As a result, we're going to see increasing efforts to mitigate PFAS pollution. We're seeing distinct approaches. In Europe, there are proposals for a potential phase-out of PFAS. On the other hand, in the US, most of the focus is on cleanup of drinking water and contaminated sites, which is likely to be extensive and very costly. In the years ahead, the response to PFAS pollution will impact a range of different industries. It may provide opportunities for companies involved in water infrastructure, cleanup technologies, and management of hazardous waste. On the downside, we think that the risks will ultimately extend beyond the chemicals producers as the phase-outs and cleanup costs ramp up. To address this, we are engaging with companies to understand where PFAS may be used in their products or manufacturing, whether they're prepared for regulatory developments, and to encourage improved risk management and disclosure.